Come up, Trevor Wilson.
I couldn't get it on the email, but right here, this is going to be the exclusion zone. These points are entering it right here.
So Judge, it's a 300, it's a large exclusion zone. And as you can see, it's a very busy area. He lives in this area. So I mean, it's literally him just driving. And the place that he was excluded from was a business that's in that area. He's really kind of not nowhere near it. He's just on the street, passing it. I'll be honest, I probably wouldn't even be aware that was within the zone.
It's 1,000 feet.
Yes, I could put meters moving off. I can't tell you in my head.
So where does he live in relation to the place? Just you talk with her.
Notice how the defense points out he was merely driving by? This raises an important legal question. Does passing through an exclusion zone really count as a violation, or is this pushing the limits of enforcement?
I don't want to know.
Less than half a mile.
So what distance? How many feet? Because half a mile is,
Before we address that, Judge, my client would like to have an 8-mile ticket off right now. He has a new job, it's interfering with it requires some physical demand, it's interfering with his.
so we're here on a violation and he wants me to take it off.
But considering the violation,
I guess, State, if you don't mind, reach out to the complaining witness, see if there have been any issues.
Yes, Judge.
Quick check-in. Half a mile may sound short, but in legal terms, proximity to a restricted area can make or break bond conditions. What do you think? Is the judge being too strict or just cautious?
I don't know if I'm ready to do it yet. I mean, you've got violations, and so violations don't make us happy, Mr. Wilson. You know, you're lucky whether you're not going to jail or not. That's where we're at now, not rewarding you with taking a monitor off. You're supposed to comply and not violate conditions, right? So I don't know where you live. What I'd like to know is where you live in relation to Babe City. So if you can pinpoint it on the map where he lives versus this, could be great, you know, because
sorry.
it's okay.
When I was appointed to this, I was online and my memory might be failing me, but I feel like I heard the state say that she doesn't even work there anymore whenever he was originally arraigned. So if they can confirm that too.
I don't know. I mean, they can.
Well, we'll confirm that as well. Yes, Judge.
Yeah.
So we'll
You
get
want
down and come back.
Okay, sure.
Rolling yesterday, I had Mr. Jeremiah.
Here's where the tension spikes. Judge Fleischer makes it crystal clear, violations won't be rewarded. This is a classic judicial tactic, laying down authority while still holding the defendant on a thin line of mercy.
I have the search warrant. Well, they told me I have the search warrant. I can't see the portal right
Yes,
now.
Judge. It's been uploaded and shared, the search warrant.
So,
Are we good?
yeah, I mean, with the court, his felony is set at the end of January. It will be wrapped up. He's doing his TRAS in anticipation of that first week of January. They'll be asking the judge for a resolution. I would be asking the court to just, if you can wait till just right after that.
I mean, I think what the proper, you know, let's set up a trial in February. If he's not done in January, then I'm going to put him to trial. But I mean, I can't, it's too.
Judge warns bond violations.
So
Look at that number again, 14,200 feet versus a 1,000-foot exclusion zone. That's a massive gap. It makes you wonder, are bond conditions sometimes set too broadly, almost guaranteeing a violation?
February 11th or 25th,
We can do that.
whatever day you want. And if it's resolved by then, it's resolved by then. If not, then, you know,
Sounds good?
okay,
Thank you.
for sure. Yes, ma'am.
Re-approaching on Mr. Trevor Wilson.
Okay.
So, Your Honor,
Mr. Elick, we'll do it now. I'm like 2 minutes.
Your Honor, I reached out to the complainant and she was unable to talk right now. She's currently at work and she said nothing further about her employment or if she had any incident. She said to call back tomorrow would be the better time to call. So I'll do that, but I wasn't able to get any information right now.
You want to roll it to tomorrow?
Judge, I did math for the radius from the defendant's house to the place. It's about 2.8 miles, which is a little over 14,200 feet. And the exclusion zone is 1,000 foot radius.
Can we just make the exclusion zone 200 feet?
Public safety. That's the heart of Judge Fleischer's statement. Judges often hammer this point to show the bigger picture. It's not about one defendant. It's about protecting the community.
Like, normal? I mean, Judge, this is 45 right here. It's tough. I'm surprised he doesn't have violations on the interstate. And I don't even know if 200 feet would still include the interstate. I just think it's a lot. I mean, this is the main road leading to the interstate.
So let's do this. Let me make sure that there have been no issues with her. And then assuming there have been, then we'll reduce it to 200. Okay, and then we'll continue supervision.
Yes, sir.
But I want to know what her opinion is to see, has he been reaching out to her? Has he done anything?
Yes, Judge.
So let's put it on hold
Okay.
tomorrow. And then I'll waive it for now. But if she comes back and tells me that he's been at it, I'm going to haul him back in here.
Okay.
So for now, we'll waive it for tomorrow.
Yes, sir. If you were to reduce the zone, does he need to get a new GPS?
If he were to reduce,
No.
he would have to report to pre-trial services tomorrow.
Okay. I'm not playing a game. I hope you know this. All I want my Houston safe. That's all I care about, and I'm going to do it at all cost. I don't care who you are. I don't care where you come from. I don't care anything. All I care about is public safety. You're not to use illegal drugs, alcohol, have any weapons, contact with the complaining witness, and you already know how it goes. Do you understand? And I'm going to hold you to it, and that's it. So this is what we'll do. We'll give you a reset now. He's going to have to sign bond conditions with Felicia. I'm telling you now, I'm going to test you. You test positive, you know. So get ready. All right? All right, Kim, you got it.
Right this way.
He's basically an exit, so he has to go by himself. He can't go on the other.
Double whammy. Good morning, Mr. Moreno Chan. Mr. Moreno, you are charged with terroristic threat of a family or a household member. Shh. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 123 days in jail with credit for the 123 days that you've already done. Is this how you understand the agreement?
Yes, sir.
Is there an affirmative finding in this case?
There will be, Your Honor.
Okay. You need to understand something very serious about this case, Mr. Moreno, that there is an affirmative finding of family violence.
Put freedom on the line. Defendant learns family violence plea carries
Or ammunition as a result of this plea bargain. It's very possible that if you continue with the same course of conduct, that they can also file a felony charge on you as well. So I would be very, very careful.
Thank you.
You understand? You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf.
This moment is heavy. Pleading guilty means giving up the right to a trial, appeals, and even risking immigration consequences. Imagine standing here. Would you take the plea for certainty or gamble on trial?
Confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, this will go on your record and you can never take it off. Is this what you want to do?
Es lo que te quiere hacer. Yes, and when I sign up, I can leave, right?
I see that you have another criminal trespass with us. I'm assuming this one gets
It's
dismissed.
gonna be dismissed, and he also has a felony that part of this agreement will also be dismissed.
That's a great deal. I'll tell you that I can't imagine that that's going to continue to happen if this conduct continues.
Well, I will never do it again.
How do you plead to the offense? Guilty?
And I think, I'm very sorry.
I hope so. Actions speak louder than words, Mr. Moreno. How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I will send it to you the agreement. There is an affirmative finding of family violence, and good luck to you, sir. Court costs will be rolled. Okay, I'm sorry. There's an enhancement, actually. Mr. Moreno, it is also alleged that you have a prior assault of a family member from March 31st of 2009 in this court, court number 5. Is this true or untrue that you had this assault? Okay, true, the enhancement. All right, good luck to you, sir. Let me see, that was Moreno. And I think that it's because of the time, it's a non-issue anyways.
And you have two, female custody cases.
Okay, yeah.
All right, awesome.